Hi everyone, welcome back to our preschool lessons. It is so good to see you. We've been talking about how God is everything we need and He gives us everything we need. He truly provides in every single way. Today, we're going to be talking about how God is our comforter. Our Bible verse sounds like this. Praise be to the Father who comforts us in all of our troubles. Okay, so I want you to do this with me. I want you to stand up. If you need to, you can warm up those arms, you can warm up your legs, and we're gonna learn it together. First, I want you to put your arms up, and I want you to say, praise be to the Father. Praise be to the Father, and then you're gonna give yourself a warm hug. And you're gonna say, who comforts us in all of our troubles. And we're gonna really lift our arms up because there might be a lot of troubles, but in every single one of them, God comforts us. So now let's put it all together. Praise be to the Father who comforts us in all of our troubles. That was so good. Now we get to talk about a little story in the Bible when God comforted His disciples. There was a moment when His disciples were in this boat and there was a huge storm. It said the waves were crashing tall over them, and guess what? His disciples were so scared. And this is the funny part. When this storm was happening and the boat was rocking back and forth, guess what Jesus was doing? He was taking a nap at the bottom of the boat. Have you ever taken a nap in the middle of the ocean when there's a storm? I don't think I would sleep very well. But it said that Jesus was just sleeping through the storm. Finally, His disciples got so scared that they went and woke Jesus up, saying, "How can you be sleeping with all these waves are crashing over our boat?" And Jesus woke up and stretched His arms and said, "Don't you worry." And He walked out to the top of the boat and He told the wind and the waves to be still. And in that moment, guess what? The storm completely stopped, and His disciples were not scared anymore because Jesus really helps them. Has there ever been a moment when you have felt scared, maybe a little angry, maybe even sad? I have felt that way too sometimes, and everybody does. But the good news I have to tell you today is that God is there to help us. Just like our moms, our dads, maybe brothers, sister, or grandparents help us as well, so does God. He is the great comforter. Which brings us back to our memory verse. If you ever feel scared, maybe a little sad or angry, always remember our verse. Say it with me, okay? Stand up again and let's do it together. Praise be to the Father who comforts us in all of our troubles. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.